Hey there, welcome back to Stoic Life Guide. Today we're diving into some real psychology secrets that reveal when women tend to miss you the most, and surprisingly, 95% of high-value men completely overlook these moments. Whether you're navigating a relationship, aiming to attract someone's interest, or simply want to understand how a Stoic mindset can elevate your life, this video is for you. So let's get into it. Women miss you the most when they. Psychology secrets unveiled. Most people assume that to be missed, you need to disappear or pull away. But in reality, it's about the experience you create. When you know what moments make someone feel your absence, you hold the key to forming a lasting connection. And it's not just about creating mystery or playing games, it's about authenticity, confidence, and knowing what truly resonates. When you're fully present but not clingy. Let's start with a simple but powerful moment when you're fully present with her. Most men think showing constant attention keeps a relationship strong, but ironically, people miss us the most when we're balanced. When you're genuinely engaged during your time together, sharing laughter, deep thoughts, and fun experiences, but you don't demand her attention at every turn, it creates a refreshing feeling. And that presence lingers. When you're not around, she'll remember that unique energy. If you're enjoying these insights so far, hit that like button to let us know. And remember to subscribe if you want to master more of these psychological and Stoic principles. After you've shown unshakable confidence. The second moment when you've demonstrated true confidence. Women are drawn to men who can handle life's challenges without falling apart. When you stay calm under pressure or make decisions without wavering, she'll notice. And when you're not there, that memory of your strength and poise creates a powerful impression. A man who's steady is someone she can trust, even when he's not around. After you pursue your own passions. Another moment most overlook when you're pursuing your own interests and passions. High-value men sometimes lose sight of the fact that a purpose-driven life is magnetic. When you're busy building yourself, mastering your craft, or simply enjoying what you love, that enthusiasm is contagious. Women miss a man who brings depth into their lives, and nothing says depth like true passion. When you grow, they'll feel your absence even more. When you're not easily available. And here's where the psychology of space really comes into play. When you're not overly available, you let her mind do a bit of the work. This doesn't mean being manipulative, but allowing for a natural flow. If you're always reachable, there's no space for curiosity or anticipation. Let her wonder. When she thinks about you, she's already missing you. Comment below if you've noticed how giving a little space can enhance your relationships. Or if you think there's a better approach, we'd love to hear your perspective. After a memorable experience together. One of the most unforgettable moments is after a memorable experience. When you've shared something special, a trip, a day out, or even just an amazing conversation, it leaves an imprint. Creating these memories helps you stay in her mind, and it's something even the most high-value men overlook. Experiences linger long after words fade. Final moment when you show integrity. Finally, one of the most important, integrity. This is a trait that few realize is so deeply valued. When you're genuine, honest, and live by your principles, people naturally respect you more. Integrity leaves a lasting impression, and it's something she'll miss. A high-value man doesn't bend his morals, even for convenience. And when you're not there, that strength in character is what stands out. Integrity is remembered long after presence fades. So there you have it, the key moments when women are most likely to miss you, but only if you approach them with authenticity, strength, and a sense of purpose. High-value men overlook these small but powerful details, yet they're crucial in creating real, lasting connections. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need these insights. And of course, subscribe for more Stoic-inspired advice to keep you strong, focused, and true to yourself. Thanks for watching. and we'll see you next time on Stoic Life Guide.